Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upgrade ChatGPT Plus to ChatGPT Pro. If you already have ChatGPT Plus, you can upgrade directly to Pro without canceling Plus first. So OpenAI says the upgrade can be done from settings. So sign into your ChatGPT account and click your profile in the bottom left corner and click settings. Next, you can go to billing and click upgrade. So here you should see ChatGPT Pro. Under the Pro options, so choose upgrade to Pro, click on it, and select the Pro tier you want. So there are currently two Pro tiers, $100 per month with 5 times usage than Plus, and $200 per month with 20 times usage of Plus. So both include the core Pro capabilities. So choose the one you prefer. Review the price and billing details so you can enter your card number down here and your expiration date and CVC. You can also check this box right here to save your payment details.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
So you don't have to enter your card details the next time you want to change your plan. So you can also pay through Google Pay, etc. Then next, what you can do is to click subscribe to proceed to the subscription. And that's basically it. So that's how you can upgrade ChatGPT Plus to Pro. Thank you for watching.